Have you ever felt nervous at the airport just because you didn't know what to say in English? Maybe your heart beats faster at the check-in counter. Maybe you smile and nod even when you don't fully understand. Or maybe you just wish someone could show you exactly what to say, step by step. If that's you, you're not alone. I've been there too, and that's why I made this video just for you. In the next few minutes, you'll follow one complete airport journey told through 20 short and simple conversations. From check-in to boarding, from coffee to customs, from confusion to confidence. You'll hear real English, easy phrases, and useful questions that you can use right away. So stay with me, repeat the lines out loud, and let's get you ready for your next flight. With calm, with clarity, and with English you can trust. Let's go. Checking in at the airline counter.
Good morning. I'm flying to New York today.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go.
Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Asking about baggage allowance.
Is my bag within the weight limit?
Let me check. Yes, it's 19.8 kilograms, so you're good.
Great. I wasn't sure about the allowance.
It's 23 kilograms for your ticket.
Thanks, that's helpful.
Asking where the check-in counter is.
Excuse me, where can I check in for Delta Airlines?
Go straight, then turn left. It's counter number 14.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
I appreciate it.
Asking for window or aisle seat.
Can I get a window seat, please?
Let me see. Yes, we have 18A available.
Perfect. I like to look outside during the flight.
All right, I've updated your seat.
Thanks a lot.
Going through security check.
Please place your laptop and liquids in a separate tray.
Sure, here you go.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Just my phone and wallet.
All right, you may walk through now.
Asking where your gate is.
Hi, can you tell me where gate B12 is?
Yes, just follow the signs to the left and take the escalator up.
Thanks, I still have some time before boarding.
No problem. There are also shops and cafes near that gate.
Great, I'll check them out.
Asking if your flight is on time.
Excuse me, is the flight to New York still on schedule?
Yes, it's on time. Boarding will begin at 3:30.
That's good to know.
You'll hear an announcement when it starts.
Perfect, thank you.
Ordering food at the airport cafe.
Hi, can I get a sandwich and a bottle of water?
Sure. Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
That'll be $8.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
Looking for the restroom.
Excuse me, where's the nearest restroom?
It's just around the corner next to gate B10.
Thanks, I was walking in circles.
No worries. It happens a lot here.
Appreciate it.
Using the self-check-in kiosk.
Let's try this self-check-in machine.
Okay, insert your passport here.
All right, now it's asking for the booking number.
I have it saved on my phone. Just a second.
Got it. It says my boarding pass is printing.
Talking to an immigration officer. Passport control.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Of course, here it is.
What's the purpose of your trip to the U.S.?
I'm traveling for business. I have meetings next week.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
You've already made it through the first 10 airport conversations. That's amazing. I know it's not easy, especially if you're just starting your English journey. Maybe some words were new. Maybe you had to rewind. That's okay. The important thing is you're still here and you're still learning. That's what matters. Now, if you're finding this helpful, if you've repeated even one sentence out loud, please give this video a like. It tells me, hey, I'm practicing. Keep making more videos like this. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. This channel is your safe place to grow, practice, and feel confident using real English. Take a breath, smile, you're doing great. All right, ready for the second half? Let's keep going. Asking for help with lost luggage.
Hi, I think I left my small bag at security.
Do you remember which checkpoint?
Yes, near gate B. It's a black backpack.
All right, I'll contact security now and check.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
Going through customs declaration.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I only have personal items and clothes.
Any food, alcohol, or electronics?
Just some snacks and a phone.
All right, you can go through. Welcome.
Asking how to get to the baggage claim area.
Excuse me, where can I pick up my luggage?
Go straight and take the escalator down to level 1.
Thanks. Is there a sign I should follow?
Yes, just look for the baggage claim signs.
Got it. Thanks again.
Boarding the plane.
Now boarding rows 15 to 20.
That's me, row 18. Let's go.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. You may board now.
Talking to the flight attendant about your seat.
Excuse me, I think someone is sitting in my seat.
Let me check your boarding pass.
I'm in 18A, but it looks like someone else is there.
Okay, I'll speak to them and help sort it out.
Thanks for your help.
Requesting a drink or snack on the plane.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, can I have some orange juice, please?
Sure. Would you like a snack as well?
Yes, a small bag of chips if you have one.
Here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Reporting a missing connection flight.
Hi, I missed my connecting flight because the first one was delayed.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check the next available option.
Thank you, I really need to arrive today.
There's a flight leaving in 2 hours. I've rebooked you.
That's a relief. Thanks so much.
Asking about airport shuttle or taxi service.
Excuse me, where can I get a taxi from here?
Just exit through those doors and follow the signs to the taxi stand.
Is there also an airport shuttle?
Yes, shuttles leave every 30 minutes from the same area.
Perfect, thank you for the information.
Greeting a friend or family member at arrivals.
Hey, you made it.
Yes, finally, the flight was a bit delayed, but I'm here.
How was everything?
Tiring, but smooth overall. I'm glad to see you.
Let's get your bags and head home.
You made it. You've just practiced 20 real airport conversations, step by step in real English. From check-in to landing, you didn't just watch. You walked through the journey with your voice, your focus, and your effort. That's powerful. Now, when you're at the airport, You won't feel lost. You'll remember the words, you'll understand the questions, and you'll speak with more confidence because you've already practiced. And if you enjoyed this lesson, or if you spoke out loud with me, please give this video a like, so I know you're really practicing. It tells me, yes, I'm serious about learning. And if you don't want to miss the next conversation lesson, hit subscribe and come back anytime you need a quick boost. You're building your English, one real situation at a time. Keep going. I'm here to help you on the journey. See you in the next video.